Come on. Come on.
He's been told no for so long.
I know. Well, you wanted to try it. So.
Yeah, they should feel fine out here. You know what? The heck with it. It's not like they're gonna get, they should enjoy a little space. Come on. Come on, buddy. It's okay. Come on. It's all right. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Isabella and Blake. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Come on.
It's okay. She doesn't like it so much.
It's all right. Come on. It's all right. I like that they're cautious.
Mhm.
It's okay. Good boy, Blake. Good boy. It's okay. You can enjoy this. Yeah, it's okay.
She doesn't want it.
They need, you know what? At this point in their life, they need some space. Yeah. It's not like they're going to go anywhere. Come on. It's okay. It's a girl. You're all right. It's okay. That's so funny. They've been in there for so long.
I know. They don't understand it because 10 up to 10 months old, they had that little tiny lanai area.
Yeah.
You know.
It's so
They don't
funny that
understand
he's willing to explore. That's really cool. But he does it cautiously, Yeah, it's okay. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right.
That's too funny. I've never heard him do that so much. He jets out every chance he gets.
I know.
He's never done that.
I know.
Oh, don't let him jump on those though.
Yeah, he won't.
Can't have that.
He won't.
What's that?
So we're going to have movie night with our chairs. Aren't these great for movie night? Woo! Show me a drive-in where you can chill out in that chair and then enjoy the screen in this beautiful weather, huh? That's right. Yeah, it's a good boy, Blake. It's okay. You're fine. You guys need to be outside. You know what? I'm so glad that they can get some air.
Yeah.
Really, they need it.
Yeah. I'll never leave them unattended, I'll tell you that.
They'll enjoy this, though.
It's okay, Blake. It's okay. Wow, I feel the sun on him.
He needs it, though. It's going to be good for them to get it. Because it's not hot or anything. It's nice. Yeah, good boy. It's okay. It's all right. Yeah. For them, this is like the first time they've enjoyed air,
Ooh, now look.
Yeah, you got her?
There goes the door. She wants in.
It's okay, honey. It's okay.
Aw.
It's
She
okay.
doesn't understand.
It's
Aw.
okay. It's okay. She'll be all right. She'll be all right.
She doesn't understand.
It's all right. She'll be all right. It's all
Aw.
right.
She wants in. Oh. Oh my goodness. It's okay. She only meows when she's scared,
Yeah.
I guess. 'Cause you never hear her meow. It's okay. Come on. Okay.
No. Let him out. Let's keep him out. It's okay.
Oh,
She'll get used to it. Look.
I don't want to do this to her.
I know. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Help your sister out, huh? She's hiding in there.
Well, they're going to be 7.
Mm-hmm.
She doesn't know this.
I get it, but they need to.
All these years.
At this point, they need to. We've protected them, you know.
I know.
It's time. It's time now. I think it's definitely time. They need to have this time.
It's okay.
Okay? This is like letting out the dogs, except we're letting out the cats. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It's okay, honey. It's okay.
Blakey.
It's okay.
Blakey.
It's
Blakey.
okay. Good girl.
Yeah.
You can go up there. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, good girl.
She jumped on the
Yeah,
chair already?
that's fine. Let her do it.
Okay. Not the table.
I don't care if she gets up on the table.
You gonna watch him?
Yeah, she's more entertaining right now. Good girl. All right. Good girl. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. You're all right. You're okay.
It's over here.
You're okay. You're okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You're okay. You're all right. You need more space. Yeah, you guys got to get fresh air.
You can't get used to this because if you're not around, I don't want to do this. I don't think.
Why not? You should, Patty. Absolutely.
Because you know.
No, you should. To give it some time. You should give it some time. Just a little bit of time. You know, give them. They need it. Are you kidding me? The way they've been cooped up.
I know.
Not that it's been bad. I mean, we protected them and we take care of them, but they need some air. You know.
Certain parts,
Yeah.
please.
Good girl. Good girl. It's okay. Yeah. You gonna hide in there? Hmm?
Jenny, that's chemical. Get
It's all right. She's all right. She's sniffing. She knows. She doesn't want to be about it. Yeah. Good girl.
Now she's not meowing. Look at that, huh?
Yeah.
Now she wants to roam a little.
Yeah. There's Blake.
I'm telling you,
Yeah. Just go ahead. Move him away.
come on. That's chemical. What is all that stuff?
Oh, it's okay.
No. You already christened our.
It's okay. I don't care.
I don't want him christening this too.
Yeah, it's okay. We got the family, right?
Yeah.
We got the family. Yeah.
Looks like this part right here has been molded together. This one's not as bad.
Mm,
Because there's like a bend to it, like I guess like where your hand would go.
yeah.
Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
So glad we got these.
Me too. They're great.
Isabella. Thank you. You guys have enough? You want to go back in? You want to go back in? Come on. Want to go inside? See if they want to go in.
Okay. Just leave the
No,
door
just
open.
leave the door open.
So let them do what they want.
I just wanted her to
Yeah.
explore a little before I did, you know.
Yeah.
Don't know where that's gonna happen. Oh,
That's okay. That's all right.
But the door's closed. She
Yeah.
can't get in.
She'll work her way out. Eventually, she will.
Blakey,
That's
he's
nice.
uneasy. You understand that, right?
No, he's loving it.
No, his tail. He's
I
uneasy.
know, but he's excited.
I know, but no, a dog. No, a dog. He's got the friendly tail.
Yeah.
That's a good thing. He's being friendly. Yeah. Hi. Okay. Want to go inside? The door's open. Oh, she came back out a little
I knew she would.
because she can't get inside.
Well, she's curious.
It's okay, buddy.
No, leave him alone. Patty,
Okay.
leave him alone.